Very good evening, all of you. Today I discuss laboratory diagnosis of infectious disease. Infectious disease are transmission from one person और species to another. infectious disease होते हैं वो एक person से दूसरे person में या एक species से दूसरे species में transmitted होते हैं. They result from the presence of pathogenic microorganisms that are not seen by naked eye that are able to cause a disease in human beings. Pathogenic microorganisms include bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa, and multicellular parasite. Practical microbiology session focus on the diagnosis of these infectious agents. Laboratory diagnosis of infectious disease are divided into two methods: direct method, indirect method. Direct method detection of microorganisms structure from the patient like urine, blood, sputum, CS, etc. Indirect method, serological method, detection of antibodies in patient serum against the microorganisms. Direct methods are specimen collection, microscopic examination, microbial detection. In specimen collection, a good quality clinical specimen, and second microscopic examination, and usually before further processing of specimens. Microbial detection are culture technique and non-culture technique. Direct method specimen collection, good quality clinical specimen, collecting specimen before the start of antibiotics, choosing the appropriate specimen, representing the infection site using sterile containers, and transporting the specimen in lab. Direct method microscopic examination, usually before further the processing of specimen, stand and stand weight preparation, different type of microscope. These diagram are shown in staphylococcus in pus samples. And second is microbial detection, culture technique, isolation of the organism in pure culture, inoculating the specimen of appropriate artificial culture media, identification of the isolate by example, microscopic examination, biochemical reaction, DNA probe, reaction with specific antibodies, and antibiotic sensitivity test after growing the organism in pure culture. And third at last is microbial detection, non-culture technique, identification of specific microorganisms such as structural components, cell wall antigen, capsule polysaccharide, etc. Product example exotoxin, and identification of specific gene sequence, nucleic acid of the organism by the method of PCR in molecular methods. Direct methods, more rapid results, minutes or hours, do not depend on growth or multiplication of the organism. And non-culture technique are mainly applied if a rapid diagnosis is needed. The microorganism cannot be cultured on artificial media, a slow-growing microorganisms. And indirect serological methods. Serological methods are used to the detection of antibodies against the microorganism in the patient serum. Active infection is diagnosed by the detection of specific IgM antibodies, high titer of specific IgG antibodies, a single high titer of IgG antibodies in current disease. Skin tests are used to the Montus test for the Microscopic examination are divided into two types: stain preparation, unstained preparation, bacterial morphology, and study unstained preparation or study of motility of bacteria, bacterial motile and non-motile. Bacterial morphology are divided into size, shape, spatial arrangement, staining affinity, spore formation, and capsule formation, and motility. These headings are used to the study of bacterial morphology. Next diagram are so bacterial shape, cocci in shape, and bacilli are rod in shape. Cocci are spherical or oval. Bacterial arrangement: cocci pairs, chains, irregular clusters, and bacilli are pairs, chains, and no special arrangement. And next are spore formation. Morphological characters of bacterial spores: shape, position, staining. And next slides are show the diagram of picture of spores, bacterial spores, drumstick like appearance and bamboo like appearance. Staining Studying of bacteria to color them, their shape and size can be easily determined under the microscope. And next are smear preparation. And smear preparation. Smear preparation, take a clean and glass slides and here and will take a 1 drop normal saline to and help the use of inoculation loop. Take a smear and fix the smear to help of burner. And smearing out of the direct samples, type of stain, use our simple stain, differential stain and special stain. Special stain example Fontana stain used to the troponoma, and separated stain are gram stain and Gilson stain. Simple stain, single basic dye example methylene blue, all bacteria take the color of the dye. Thank you.